Welcome to GCSE Biology. We're looking at osmosis. Now, for an organism, any organism to function, substances must move into and out of cells. Okay, so for any organism to function, substances have to be moved in and out of cells. And these processes contribute to this movement, such as number one, diffusion, number two, osmosis, and number three, active transport. However, we're looking at osmosis in this particular time. So what is osmosis? Now, osmosis is the diffusion of water molecules from an area where the water molecules are in high concentration to an area where they are in low concentration. And this happens through a membrane, a partially permeable membrane. Permeable means when the water can come in and out quite easily. And in terms of osmosis, the key area that you need to know is that osmosis refers to the movement of water molecules only. That's the process of osmosis. Now here you've got some more information in terms of the processes of osmosis and how it actually works, why it's important for our bodies. And you've also got a practical model example of osmosis in a cell as well. So do have a read of this in more detail. And we've got some follow-up questions that will give you more of an idea of what this topic is about. Good luck with this, and we'll follow these questions in our next lesson. Thank you.